friends. Welcome back. Today, we're going to talk about something super sour, zesty, and full of flavor: the lemon. Have you ever tried a lemon? Let's learn all about this tangy fruit. This is a lemon. It's a yellow citrus fruit, and it's known for being very sour. Lemons grow on trees, and they're packed with lots of juicy flavor. Let's see what's inside. Look inside. See how juicy it is? Lemons are filled with lots of tiny juice droplets. They're sour, but that makes them super special and tasty in many foods. Did you know that lemons are full of vitamin C? Vitamin C helps keep our bodies healthy and strong. Lemons also help keep our skin glowing, and they can even help us fight off colds. Lemons are so fun to use. You can squeeze them to make lemonade, add them to a fruit salad, or even use them in baking. People also use the zest, that's the yellow skin, to add extra flavor to their food. Lemons are special because they taste both sour and refreshing at the same time. They can make drinks and food taste extra yummy. And did you know, a lemon tree can grow many lemons, and they take time to grow, but once they do, they're so much fun to pick and eat. Lemons love to make friends with other fruits. They can hang out with oranges to make delicious citrus juices, or they can pair with strawberries for yummy desserts. Lemons even go great with mint for a refreshing drink. Now you know all about lemons. They're zesty, sour, and super healthy. Next time you see a lemon, give it a try and enjoy all the yummy ways you can use it. Thanks for learning with me today. See you next time.